Open the Chrome browser. Then search by typing Bing Image Creator. First visit www.bing.com website. Copy and paste the prompt. The prompt link is given in the description. Change the name and enter your logo name. Then click on Create option and wait for few seconds. Download the logo by clicking on 3 lines from here. To create the next logo, follow the same process. Thanks for watching full video. Stay tuned by subscribing the channel for next video.